This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 4th, 2022. Overall theme and behavior, we have the Fortune card. Overall theme and behavior for S&P 500, April 4th, 2022 is going to be the Fortune card. It's a reversal. A lot of cases it's a top. There's an opportunity there at a top. Everything's going real well, but it's a top. There's a reversal. It could be the opposite as well, though. It could be on the bottom. It depends, but I'm sensing a top. I'm sensing a top. And this is a new moon, guys. Excuse me, this is the Monday after a new moon. That was Clear Kinetics right there as well. Two cards came out. It's March 25th, midnight, 2022. This is the interpretation of the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 4th, 2022. It's currently March 31st, 2:29 a.m. Overall theme and behavior is a reversal. There may be... Yeah, the overall theme and behavior is a reversal. And it looks like we have a push higher right out of the open. We meet resistance, and then we fall from that resistance in the first half hour with increasing volatility as we move into the hour. So there's a high and a low in there, as well as a reversal right around the open, and a trade opportunity right around the open. Congress or a foreign legislative agency is highlighted between roughly 10 and 11, and then we have another high correlator. So there's another crest between we have a crest between 9:30 and 10, and we have a crest between 11 and 12ish, and a sharp drop, a prominent drop on the chart, on that one-day chart, somewhere from that high, or I should say from that crest between roughly 11 and 12. And then we have some rallying between roughly 12 and 1, but it's rallying along a diagonal trend line that we break down through, and then we fall further with increasing volatility as we move forward in time. The volatility continues to pick up, and then we meet another day's major trough between 2 and 3 o'clock. That's a major trough in there. So there's a major trough and a major trough. There's a major trough at the open, a crest at the open, a crest around roughly 11 to 12, and then another trough between 2ish and 3, and then we have failed attempt to break resistance. Looks like we might meet a resistance level around the 2. We meet a resistance level, let's say, in the last 2 hours of trading after that bottom, and we fail to break through that resistance, and then we fall further to reach a support level right around the close, which we move sideways along. There's another reversal, looks like off of the bottom of a range there in the post-market. Behavior around the high for the day is going to be traveling along. It's going to form when we travel along a diagonal trend line. We break through a resistance level, meet a second resistance level, and then pull back to somewhere between those two, and that's kind of where the high is formed. behavior around the low. It forms in the midst of some erratic back and forth behavior through the same price level. We kind of go like this through it, and it's also close to where we revisit a crest. So it looks like that low, we revisit a crest off of the low. So yeah, so we moved higher here, right? We move higher here, then we move higher yet here, then we start to break down. Interesting day. I think it's and there's a fast sudden dip lower in a period of volatility that kind of like overarches this day with that reversal there and that fast sudden dip lower. It looks like, and that's the 4th S&P 500 for the 4th of April. Thanks, guys. Hit that subscribe and hit that like button if you haven't done so already, and I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one.